Hi everyone, it's me Susanna from Hannah's Publishing, and today I was wanting to show you guys how to edit our latest listing, which is a customizable tag which you can use for your crochet business, knitting business, or any other handmade business where you could use a little care tag or label to add to your creations. Well, first of all, what you have to do is look below this listing and see if you can purchase the template so you can use it to edit it and make it for your own business. You can add your business name or you can use it as is because I've provided you with both templates for you to use. So first things first, you're gonna have to go to the listing, which is called the edible crochet text template. In short, you go through the checkout and Etsy will allow you to download the files either directly from by using their email that they send you, or you go here to the bit that says your account. Obviously, I'm in mine right now. So you see my photo, and then you go to the section that says purchases and reviews. You click on that, and right here you will see the purchases. You can download both files right there, and you can then see the following. So let me open the first one for you. So this one is ready to go. I would recommend you print it on a thicker paper, or you can have someone else do it for you. So you go to your local printer or online that you order them. But these are ready to go. You cut them. I would recommend using those the special cutters. I forgot how they were called, but you know, the big knife ones, or if you're really good at cutting with scissors, of course, you can just do that like that. And then you can fill in with any purchase that's being made, the materials it's made from, if it's machine wash, and maybe you can put behind it what the grease, if that's relevant, or it's hand wash, and if they need to dry it flat. Well, just like that, you're ready to go. But if you want to edit it, there is a second file that will come with your purchase, which will look like this. I will add this video later as well. But if you click on this bit that says, click on the link here to access your files, it will take you to Canva. You will need a free account to open this, but you don't need to pay for anything. So if you have an account already, you can go ahead and click on this second line. You will only have one on your screen. This is just because it's my template, so I can make changes to the original. So you click on use template for new design. After, if you're logged in, it goes straight ahead. If not, there's probably a step in between for signing up or logging in, but it will take you straight to the template. Well, as that loads, you will see, da 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 da, there you go. You will see that I've added both of the files again. So there's one where you can change your business name and it's all ready to go, and the one that I just showed you on the other in the other tab. You can also make any changes to that, but that's ready to go if you want. Well, it's fairly easy to do. I just need to have it load. For some reason my internet is slow today, sorry about that. But just like that, you can easily make changes. So what I like to do is delete my face because you don't need it. You can change the name by clicking on it. So three times it's usually, if you want to select it, also say your name is Crochet by Carrie, and then care tags, so you can find them later. And as you can see, it's already done, all ready to go. And what I like to do is just by using Ctrl F on my computer, which brings up Find. Now I've got a standard, Microsoft software. I know other computers you may need a different code, but if you just look for the Find and Replace All, then it's really easy to do, because you see here at the bottom it says your business name. So your business name would help if I spell it correctly. So let me do your, and then we just decided you're called Crochet by Carrie, and then I click replace all. And just like that, your label is ready to go. Now, if you want to make any other changes, it's easy enough to do. So for example, you like this to be red. You click on the element, you go to the bit where you have the color, you click on it, and then if it would be so kind to load, now, for example, you want all of them red. Now, because the other text is also red, black, it will change all, as you can see, which is not quite what we were going for. So you undo that, and then you just get that little red one. But then you would, of course, one by one have to do it, or you can, if you select more of them. Oh, not in this case. Forget that I said it. But just like that, you can make the change. And the same for the text here, for handmade. Say you like it in blue, right? You can just make any of these changes just to make it look the way you want. But just like that, it's ready to go. It's black and white, so it's print friendly. And there's just one final step to do before your design's ready. You go to here that says share. You click on download. I would recommend using a PDF file just because it creates a better quality. So you navigate here to the file type and you select PDF. And then we just need the first one because the second one is the same as the other one. But if you want to make some changes, it's all yours. And just like that, you click download and it will be available on your computer. And you can either print it at home or go to your local printer. And that's it done. Well, make sure you check out the link and to use our discount code if you decide to go ahead and purchase these. And if you have any questions, just shoot me a message. I'm happy to help. But for now, I wish you a wonderful day and we'll connect soon. Bye.